This is Shana Sissel. She is Director of Investments at Cope Corrales. It's good to have you back. It's nice to see you.
Thank you. Great to be here again.
So let's talk chips, because one of your picks is right from that space. Chips have obviously had some trouble year to date. Marvell, MRVL, of all the names you could pick, why is this one you chose to highlight today?
I think it has a very strong pipeline of growth opportunities. It just completed an acquisition last year of NOV, which allowed it to broaden its scope and be able to offer a full solution and networking and cloud. So this is a name that's had short-term headwinds due to the supply chain, but it's got strong management, a strong growth pipeline, looking at having a 20% growth rate going into next year. And it is on track to hit $3 in earnings power by 2024. So I think this is a stock that is being hurt just because the overall macro environment is not positive, but it's a stock that has good fundamentals going forward.
Yeah, although you listen to NXPI, for example, tonight, and they're still talking about supply and demand and not being able to work that off maybe for a year. So it's an interesting space to certainly watch moving forward. National Oil Well, NOV.
So this is a typical cyclical, looks really bad fundamental-wise, as all cyclicals do when they're sort of at trough earnings. But we are in a situation where there is massive demand for oil, and we are losing a key supplier as we have Russia is losing a lot of Russian oil. So we need to look at alternatives. Deepwater drilling, offshore drilling is starting to pick up in demand because it's one of the only places that can quickly pick up in supply. So NOV sort of has a monopoly here, and it's an opportunity, I think, to take advantage of this need to pick up supply of oil as we are kind of moving around the different ways in which we can get increased oil supply in the near term.
Can you give me 10 seconds on GXO?
Yes. So recent spinoff, stock has been hurt by insider selling and just bad and not a lot of good comps, but it is a supply chain logistics, last mile. I think this is a great stock going forward, strong management, great execution, and I think it's going to benefit going forward.